NDP task on Nokia project. So you need to download this software from their website. When you click on it, you log in. So the next thing is to search for the site you want to work on. So I'm going to use this site as an example. Let me use this. Come here. Okay, I'm using this site as an example. So the next is to download. They ask you to download. But before that, you have to on your notification. Download. When you download, you click on it and complete the task. Then you come back up here and refresh. This is where to refresh. This is where to refresh. In case you want to refresh, you refresh here. So you download also. Then you click on it, mark complete, and proceed. So it is step by step. This is part 1. So you click on the second one again, you proceed. Transport materials on site. So it's complete. Save from submitting successful. So refresh again. If there's no task, it means that you have to tell them now to update it. You have done it step by step. This is stage 1. So now see another site here I want to post also. Refresh. Complete. You can see now it's still synchronizing complete. So this after this one now, the second part I will show you when they have uploaded it. It's step by stage. NDPD step by stage. Yeah, thank you.